What up, friends? It's me again, Rider IGN. Yeah, let me put this GoPro on my helmet. Yo, it's annoying. Oh, done. How does it look? Great? Is it better now? Okay, I will check this later. So, we are at the most beautiful spot in the world. Spot of riding. Yeah, a lot of fun in here. Now we're gonna try to make hand drag because I don't know, it was some time from not wheeling, so it's harder to regain my skills. Now I will try hand drag and let's see how it works for me. If I'm still able to do this. Okay, let's make this clear. I have tried several times before filming and I succeeded to touch the ground with the bottom of my fingers. You see my glove is already ripped, but I don't know if I can make it while filming, because you know, while filming you feel stressed, you feel more stressed because people are watching. You wanna do better and better clips from better angles or something. You don't want to fail, you just wanna show people the best of yourself, and it's really hard to make everything flawless. So let's try. Let's see if I can make this while filming. Almost. But almost doesn't count, right? Right, I got. Where's my girlfriend? I will ask her to film me from the side to show you guys how it works, how I do this. What happened here? Where's my neutral? Ah, right.